Hello. Thank you for buying the Teching with Littles product interactive Google Slides. My name is Danielle, and I'm going to show you how you can change my Bitmoji to your Bitmoji or whatever graphic that you would like. So whenever you get it, this should pop up for you to make for a copy, and you'll click on the slides. You'd only need to go through the ones that say great job or oopsie, and go through and change those Bitmojis that you like. If you'd like to keep mine, that's fine too, but if you want to make it more personalized, that'd be, here's the option. So you would click on the box. Each one of these slides has an invisible box over it. And so you just need to minimize the box, click on My Bitmoji, and get rid of it, and then put the one that you would like there. So let's just say, here's the one that I wanted there. I would find the box that you just minimized and then just pull it back to where it was, so it's covering the entire slide. So again, you would just pull back the slide, or pull back the box, delete My Bitmoji and add the one you wanted. And let's just say I wanted this one. And then you would just pull it back over, making sure it's covering the entire slide. And then you would have to go through and do that for each one to personalize it. So if you want to personalize it, you have that option. If you want to keep mine, that works too. So thank you so much for buying my product. I've got plenty more coming out soon, so thank you.